Maggie here in front.
And me behind.
And we're just going to do a little walkthrough of Mary Ann's Arthur Folio using some CoolKatzCraft paper. I can't remember what the paper's called, but I recognise it because I demoed with it. I used to do CoolKatzCraft. So she's got the front door here. She's put a little padlock on and a little key. Fits there. And then on the back, she's got the rest of the paper. And then inside, she has two flaps, and when you open them out, that's your photo storage, and again you have the same photo storage here, so there's lots and lots of room.
She said this was ready for her daughter-in-law to put. They had an outing out to wood, didn't they?
They had, yes, so it's perfect, ready for that. Because you've done your folio, haven't you, Kay? I've still not done mine yet. So
yes, I have. And I need to send it off to the recipient.
Okay, so there's plenty of photo storage. So that's one with CoolKatzCraft. This is another folio one she's done.
It's still the Arthur.
It's still the Arthur Folio.
Still Arthur.
Yep.
Still Arthur.
I've got to get it round the right way. It's that way, I think.
That's it.
That way?
No.
Yes.
Yes, it is that way. That's
yes.
upside down. No, that's right. You're right.
No, she's that way. Because the script's that way.
Okay.
So this way she's reversed it. So we've got the pages here. I probably am showing it upside down. She'll say, you're showing it upside down, Maggie, but I'm looking at the script, which is this way.
Yeah, I quite like it.
I do as well. So, and then here, she's got the same thing.
So you got absolutely loads.
There's loads.
For a small amount of space, you get an awful lot of
I
photographs.
really have to do this, you know. So that's it.
It's perfect for an outing, a day out.
Yeah, if you go
like
to a theme park,
yeah.
something like that, you've just got the perfect thing to keep your photos in.
Anyway.